The role of the medieval trading city of Venice, Genoa, and Bruges. In medieval times, trading cities such as Venice, Genoa, and Bruges played an important role in international trade in Europe. Each of these countries had its own advantage in the trade network that connected Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. These three countries controlled the trade in spice, textile, and developed banking and credit system. Venice was one of the prosperous trading cities due to its strategic location on the northeastern coast of the Adriatic. Venice controlled the spice trade and became a spice distribution center. Venice had a fleet of warships used for trade and military expansion. The Genoa played a role in the trade of slaves, textile, and agricultural products. Genoa dominated the Atlantic trade and Europe bankers after the fall of Constantinople. Genoa's merchants turned their attention to the Atlantic trade, and Genoa's bankers played a role in the financing Spanish and Portuguese expeditions in the era of ocean exploration. Meanwhile, Bruges became the center of trade in northern Europe, especially in the Hanseatic trade and textile production. The Flandria and Hanseatic language trade routes made Bruges a meeting point between trades from the Hanseatic, German, Scandinavia, and traders from French Italy. The city became an exchange point for English woolens and spices from the Mediterranean. In the mid-13th century, economic depends on German trade, and the communal role of the Bruges was still in its infancy. But by the early 14th century, the German trading bloc, commonly known as the Hansa, managed to effectively embargo Bruges and pushed for demanding privilege from 1307 to 1390. The charter would rely on the consent of the people of Bruges, and prior to the granting of the privilege, several trade unions revolted demanding that the Hanseatic demands be met so that they would break their embargo against Bruges. North Germany represents the large trade in Bruges. Bruges' economy depends on their presence, and in return, the city urged the Dutch to grant the clause. The ships that sailed from the Mediterranean stopped at Bruges, London, Southampton, and other smaller ports. The important role played by the port of Genoa is evident in the journeys en route via Gibraltar. Just as the number of connections with Bruges at trips exceeded the number of connections with England, of them with Southampton. Whereas in Venetia, approximately 85 ships sailed from Suez, while only about 20 made it to English ports. Economic development. In the early 13th century, spices and silk were available ingredients in like trade traveled from the east to Europe, as Europe favored spices. This was to the cold climate, and the steeping of these spices warmed the bodies of Europeans. In the winter, the spices from the East and Asia had a lot of demand in Europe, so the selling power of spices was very high, starting from the center of the trade in the city of Venice, which monopoly international trade between Europe and the East. The fleet owned by Venice was so large that it could control the Mediterranean Sea trade route.
Economic development in Europe has started from the time of the Britannian Empire, which controlled shipping docks in Europe. Venice is also related to the Britannian Empire, which has a close enough relation so that is good political relation, which makes Venice control important the route in the Mediterranean Sea. In the late Middle Ages, economic development was further accelerated by the emergence of a banking and credit system. The widespread as of currency replaced the previously dominant barter system. Then, because of trending activities, the invention of accounting emerged. In the beginning, the record of the trade transaction was done simple by using media such as stones and bricks. The oldest evidence found to that comes from Babylon around 3600 BC, with similar findings also found in the Egypt and ancient Greece. However, recording keeping at the time was still unsystem and often incomplete. Better record and keeping took place in Italy after the introduction of Arabic. Decimal number and the growing base network accounting progress significantly with the invention of the double entry system by the merchant of Venice, which then a famous trading center in Italy.
Social change. In the 14th century, after the fall of Rome, people living along the northeastern coast of Italy felt unsafe due to invasion of the Huns and Ostrogoths, so many left their home and traveled to the area now called Venice because it was difficult to attack. The bubonic plague hit Venice and tens of thousands of people died. As a result, the Mongol Empire collapsed and trade on the Silk Road became expensive and dangerous. Eventually, when the Ottoman conquered Constantinople, they also attempted to conquer many Venetian territory in the eastern Mediterranean and began trying to subjugate Venice. Venice's political structure was entirely under the Roman Empire, but it steadily gained independence. In medieval times, Genoa became one of the first cities where the inhabitants gained certain political rights, although theoretically under the Holy Roman Empire and ruled by Christian bishops. In practice, the Genoese people elected to consul each year to rule the city. Political power was largely held by a few influential families. Women from influential families could also gain political power, but were not allowed to vote. Life in medieval times was characterized by the strong influence of the church in society. The church became the center of social service, security for the threatened, and the development of Christianity. The Black Death caused a population decline and weakened Genoa, so that by the late Genoa lost its territory across the sea and was eventually conquered by Milan.